We're talking about DUI and criminal offense myths, some common misperceptions that people have about the criminal justice system and how that relates to them if they're charged with a crime. Myth number 9 is that public defenders are not attorneys. This is something I hear quite frequently, that I want a real attorney, I want an attorney to handle my case and not a public defender. And in fact, public defenders are attorneys. They are paid by the county here in Maricopa County, but they are not employees of the county attorney's office or the prosecuting office. They don't work for the police. They are not affiliated with the police in any way, shape, or form. And when a public defender handles a case, he or she is working for that client. And the duty that that public defender has for the client is exactly the same as the duty that I have for a client. And the standard that that public defender is held to is identical to the standard that I'm held to. So when people think that they want a real lawyer as opposed to a public defender, they're actually mistaken, because public defenders are attorneys, and some of the best attorneys that I know happen to be public defenders. There are some advantages sometimes to hiring a private attorney, and it depends on a case-by-case basis. And one of the main advantages is you get to actually pick who your attorney is and who you want to work with and who you feel comfortable with. With the public defender's office, they typically assign a public defender, and that's the person that you work with unless there's something extraordinary that happens during the life of the case. So one of the main advantages of hiring a private attorney isn't that you're hiring an attorney, it's that you're hiring an attorney that you want to work with, that you feel comfortable with, that you feel has your best interests in mind. But if you think that a public defender is an attorney, they are, and there are a lot of very good public defenders out there.